Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble liquid. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of glycerin or light corn syrup. Choosing a good quality dish soap is key for strong bubbles. The glycerin or corn syrup acts as a secret ingredient, making your bubbles last longer and less prone to popping. Now, let's mix everything together. Pour 1 cup of warm water into a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of your chosen dish soap. Stir the mixture very gently to avoid creating too many suds, as excessive foam can make it harder to blow good bubbles. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of glycerin or light corn syrup and stir it in slowly until fully combined. Once mixed, it's important to let your bubble solution rest. For the best results, allow it to sit for at least 1 hour or even overnight. This resting time helps the ingredients blend thoroughly, creating a more stable and effective solution. After resting, grab a bubble wand and test out your creation to see those beautiful, shimmering bubbles float through the air. For even better bubbles, consider using distilled water, as minerals in tap water can sometimes weaken the bubble film. When you're done playing, store any leftover solution in an airtight container. It can last for several weeks. Don't be afraid to experiment with slightly different ratios of soap and glycerin to find your perfect bubble recipe. Happy bubbling!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.